Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by running the code and reading the error line. This gives immediate clues. Next, reproduce the failure consistently, because intermittent bugs hide causes. Once reproduced, add targeted print statements or use Python mtrace to confirm which branch runs and which variables hold unexpected values. Make sure to check recent edits and the exact token at the reported line. Often a missing colon or stray indent is the true cause. Start here to narrow the scope quickly and decisively. You now isolate the failing area using PDB setTrace or an IDE breakpoint, then step line by line to observe runtime state. While paused, inspect variable types and values, because type mismatches often masquerade as other errors. Once done, strip unrelated code to create a minimal reproducible example. This forces you to see the exact dependency that triggers the bug. Make sure to test edge cases and invalid inputs. Many logic errors appear only for specific ranges or data shapes. You implement the smallest safe change that addresses the observed cause, then run unit tests and the previously failing scenario to verify the fix. After verification, add logging, debug for local tracing, info for normal events, error for failures, so future problems reveal context. If the bug persists, revert to a known good commit and use git diff to find regressions. Alternatively, share the minimal reproducible example when asking for help. One key tip: if you still see the same issue, check for shadowed names and cached. Pick files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.